Oh, I can't landing. I can't see clearly from the sky above because of thick smoke. What happened? Let me contact our UFO center. Hello? I can land in country called Malaysia, in the planet of the Earth. Please help.
You can't see clearly because of the haze.
Haze?
Yes, haze. Haze has blanketed that country since last week. It was caused by forest fire from the neighboring country. It is the worst pollution ever happened in that country.
Oh, I can see thick smoke from the vehicles and factories in that country too. Oh no, I can't believe what I see. What happened to Malaysia? It is full of thick smoke from the factories. Where are the forests and the animals?
The forest had been chopped off and turned into industrial area, and most of the animals has lost their habitat. They are dying like me.
Poor fish, the ocean is covering with thick layer of oil and toxic from factories. Even the fishermen can't earn the living while we are getting extinction.
Yippee, yippee, hooray! Our earth will be safe from all the pollution. Hooray! Our earth will be safe from all the pollution.